If Meta's metrics aren't as reliable, meaning we don't really need to focus on them, then why would anyone hire us? The question is, if Meta's metrics aren't as reliable, meaning we don't really need to focus on them, then why would anyone hire us? That's the first one. The second one is, don't you think if a client is focused on metrics and saying things like the CPA isn't good or the ROAS isn't good enough, and we respond by saying not to pay attention to dashboard metrics, it might make them doubt our work? So that's the second one.
Yeah, I think the combination there is that we need to look off platform, but also on platform for, we refer to them as typically vanity metrics, as in CPA, CPM, CTR, those types of things. We do need to pay attention to those. And that is, but at the end of the day, it's secondary to revenue metrics. So if the client's revenue is growing, that at the end of the day is what we're looking for. And those, cost per purchase and the CTRs and that type of stuff, that's where we get into the nitty gritty of it. And we look at the on-platform stuff and make decisions based on that. But overall strategy should primarily be dictated by top-line metrics, MER, for example.
Nick's MER tracker that he uses also has like a lot of top-line metrics that allow for the clients to see the growth, looking at kind of those umbrella metrics, like business metrics. So in terms of like providing value and trust for clients, if we can show them growth through those kind of business metrics, and Nick does a really great job of tracking this like week over week and actually showing growth that way, that's how we provide, the basis of reporting that helps clients better trust us, because we can actually show these numbers are growing, or the overall cost per new client acquisition is getting smaller and things like that.
All right, this brand is, again, pretty similar to the other two that we talked about. It's a men's luxury clothing brand, essentially. So again, really high ticket products, but a little bit different, catered towards men in this instance. And